In the last video, I got to unbox and assemble my brand new 72-volt mini e-moto. Today, I get to test ride it in the bush. Actually, I fully charged the battery and rode the bike until 0%.
I'm almost out, bro. And we're out.
And after having this test ride, I can't wait to let you know what I thought about the bike at the end of the video.
What's up everyone, it's yet another day, and today we're going to be test riding that little 72-volt mini e-moto that I've got in the back of the ute or truck if you're American. And I've got all my off-road gear here. The bike's all assembled and ready to go, and now we're going to go bush and do a proper test ride. Let's get it. Whee! Got a couple of mates coming to join us in a second. Before that, we're going to take some B-roll shots of the bike. Oh, $1,500 Nissan Navara.
Bought it with a blown head gasket. You fixed the head gasket.
Fixed it. Drives good. It gets to 100. Watch a movie? DVD or? DVD. Built a trailer.
Built a full trailer.
Look at that. You don't even need a ramp. You just go straight down. Wow. Does that come down or is that just a show?
Bed.
Bed.
Fully stable.
Have you tested it?
I have.
I mean for like sleeping.
Stop it. Get some help.
I have not tested it for sleeping. Want to go camping.
So we got a full charge. And for that reason, should have at least a bit of time to play on this thing. Oh, I should have come with my intercom because I got one. Next time. Is that Senna? Cardo. Okay. So you want me to just follow you and we explore?
I'll follow you. We'll explore. Like, we'll follow your path.
Alright, cool. I'll put both legs on the rocks, that's it. And then just send it. Oh, this thing rips. Suspension is pretty good as well. Might be on the smaller side for me. Let's go! See you later, gas bikes. I used to be able to get through there before. Oh god, feels so weird for something this small to be going this fast.
As you can see, the bike did very well, but in some of the really deep sandy parts, the controller just seemed to be limiting power when the motor got to a certain RPM.
Jeez, how's this thing making it through all this?
Just wait up for her. She doesn't do well on the sand.
It's all a bit different here now because they've closed off so many parts of it. So like the little circuit that I had in my head, like you could go through those rocks there, go behind next to the train tracks and then straight across to the other side. Oh, there she is. Are you okay to keep going or?
Yeah, it's just the sand with this shot.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this thing. The only thing is, nobody's gonna hear me coming around the corners, but unless they're on an electric bike as well, I'm gonna hear them, right? I removed the front brake sensor as well. Let's see if she can do a burnout. Yep, confirmed. Let's go. This thing is fun, man. Oh, it's getting very sandy now. I'm getting roosted in the sand bits.
Get a clutch?
Nah, just rear brake, front brake, throttle. That's it. That's all you need, right? No gears. Well, one gear. Actually, it's got another gear. It's got reverse. And you can do stuff like this. Not bad, eh?
How are you liking it?
Oh, I love it.
Ride with it?
Hey?
Is this your first ride with it?
First ride out bush, yeah. Oh, like a dream, bruv. Like a dream. My favorite part with this bike is actually going in the corners. You know what I mean? You just stick your leg out, you move your butt to the front a little bit, tip the bike over, and away she goes. I must also add that I'm running the stock tires at the moment, so the bike would only perform better if we got different tires. So we're parked down there by the super sketch. I think, oh no, I'll go and give her a hand.
Nah, she's got it.
Come on, man, what's with you on the tough love? I would have gone an easier way, but I really want to test out the bike. Do you want me to take it there for you?
Yes, please. Too hard.
Yeah, sorry. Petrol bike, I didn't think I'd... Holy moly. That just bounces like there's no tomorrow. It's alright. Do you want to have a go on that? We go in the middle bit and then you can have a lap. Yeah? I'll go in the CRF. Oh, big girl. This rear brake's not working, bro. Or am I missing it?
It's so weird.
It's different, isn't it? Give it a rip here. Just go straight down and then back up. Full pin.
God damn.
Good, eh?
Dude, it feels so different. It's so light and maneuverable.
Yeah. I think you'll feel even better if you got like a Pro Taper SE bar or something. Something a bit higher than that for an adult.
It's super, super comfortable.
Super fun, eh?
I have to get one.
Because this location has so many trails and we're trying to stay together as a group, unfortunately I wasn't able to open the throttle as much here, but as soon as we dropped Seb's missus off, I was able to let loose.
We can go to the power line, the train station thing.
Ready? Can we get through here somehow? Through there? Yeah, we're in. We got in. I think it's mostly to stop cars from coming out here because they dump all sorts of things. So like people will steal stuff and then just bring the whole pile here, pick out the goodies. Oh, it's so nice out here. Nobody really comes here anymore. Let's go! Let's go, come on, little bike. Yeah. Whoa. Hopefully I don't eat it in these muddy bits. I've been here so many times that I just know where exactly to go. Oh, Seb, what happened? Stack? You okay, buddy? Oh, the mud. Oh, and it's leaking. Oh, it's just the petrol from the carby?
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Yeah, on the helmet.
How's the helmet?
Yeah, smashed it somewhere.
Oh, no. Well, it looks like there's a a few, you know, cosmetic scratches there, character marks. Oh, you got some yourself, bugger.
Continue.
We continue? Yeah. I'm not good at the right hand ones turning around this way. I guess I am now. Oh, I'm down to 1 bar, which is like 20%, I think. I've been pinning it, and you had a go, and the missus had a go as well, so not bad. Do you want to do a race? But like on takeoff, don't feel sorry for me. I want you to give it all you got, yeah? So we've got a CRF 450. What year is that?
I think it's a 2007.
And this is a 72 volt mini electric dirt bike. I'm in mode 3, you're in all the beans mode. And we're just gonna see what we can get out of this. Ready, set, go. Oh, sorry, you have to start your bike. Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's left me in the dust.
Teach him a lesson, Dad. Teach him hard.
Well, to be fair though, this bike is down to like 20%. So, yeah, there's that too. Oh, hello. Not seen you in a while. I think because the battery's at 1 bar as well, that kind of plays a part. But whatever the case may be, you still would have smoked me. I'll just keep it in mode 2 for now, so we can squeeze out a few more percentages. I think she's almost out. Let's see if we can make it to the end of this little section. Just round to that big tree there. Can you take us there? Do we get to the big tree? There's the big tree. Let's see if we can get past the big tree. I'm almost out, bro. I think you should just go and get the strap. Yeah, I'll keep going, then you can catch me wherever. We went past the big tree though, and we're out. It's blinking saying error.
Done.
Done. That's us. That's the bike. Yeah, it's done incredibly well. I highly recommend one of these, and with like the upgrade potential that they have. So if you get an aftermarket controller, battery and motor, you're gonna be getting an absolute beast of a bike. It's tiny, yeah, a little bit on the smaller side for me because I'm full-grown adult. Let's have a look. And this is me standing next to the bike. This is me flat-footed, and me sitting on the bike with the stand up. Yeah, so flat-footing even when I sit. But yeah, it's just like a 110 pit bike, just as fun, if not more. The only disadvantage with these bikes obviously is if you're out here riding in the bush and you only come with the 1 battery, you want to keep your eye on what's left so you can have enough charge to get you back to the car. But anyway, yeah, it's been fun, guys. That's us with this little bike here today. Yeah, I've had an absolute blast, and I can't recommend this bike any harder. Even in the 60 volt variant, the 72 volt variant, whatever it is, I'm not so sure about the 48. Maybe 48 is going to be more appropriate for kids, but that has put a huge smile on my face, as small as it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.